Welcome to Easy Daily English. Subscribe now to join our community. Ready for a new story? Let's go! Episode 8. Ella visits a cafe. This is another easy English story. Today, Ella goes to a cafe near her home. It is Tuesday afternoon. The weather is cool and the sky is a little cloudy. Ella wants to relax, read her new book, and enjoy a warm drink. The cafe is small but cozy. There are plants near the windows and soft music playing in the background. A few people are working on their laptops and some are talking quietly. Ella walks to the counter and smiles at the barista. "Hello," the barista says. "What would you like today?" "Hi," Ella answers. "Can I have a cup of cappuccino, please?" "Of course," the barista says. "Would you like anything to eat?" Ella thinks for a moment and says, "Yes, maybe a piece of banana bread." "Good choice," says the barista with a smile. Ella pays and finds a small table near the window. She puts her bag on the chair and takes out her book. While she waits, she looks outside and watches people walking by. Some are hurrying home and others are walking slowly, enjoying the afternoon. A few minutes later, the barista brings her order. The cappuccino looks perfect, and the banana bread smells sweet. Ella says, "Thank you," and takes a small sip of her coffee. It's warm and creamy, just what she needed. She opens her book and starts reading. The cafe is quiet, and the music makes her feel calm. Every few minutes, she stops to write a new English word in her notebook. She enjoys learning while relaxing. Time passes quickly. After about an hour, she finishes her coffee and the last piece of banana bread. She feels happy and peaceful. Before leaving, she thanks the barista again and smiles. On her way home, Ella thinks about how small moments like this make her life beautiful. A quiet cafe, a good book, and a warm cup of coffee. Sometimes that's all we need to feel good. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.